What's up, everybody? Shannon Sagan here, also known as the Dashcam Lawyer. I'm with my trusty associate here, Bingo. Say hi, Bingo. Although he's not much of a help. He likes to sleep. Anyway, wanted to reach out to you all and let you know that I've started to do presentations on dash cams, the laws, safety, costs, installation, features, all those things, as well as what type of insurance coverage you have. I've been doing that for a long time, but now I'm adding them both because they're the biggest needs that I think in this industry and for people and clients and friends. If you know a group of people, if you know a church, synagogue, mosque, if you know VFW, if you are part of, say, the Cuban American Club, anything like that, a group of people that you think I should talk to and educate, I'd be more than happy to show up. No strings attached. I'll come in, give a great presentation, maybe give away a dash cam or two, and educate people on the importance of proper insurance coverage, what kind of coverages you have, and also why it is important, especially in South Florida, to have dash cams. So if you do know someone, tag us in social media, get us in contact with them. We're reaching out to groups of people from other countries right now that have clubhouses. We're reaching out to different religious groups that want me to talk. So I'm loving it. I'm enjoying these presentations, and I would love to do one for you or your friends.